Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today my friend just ran off. Hold on, let me just go find him. It's Herobrine Skull, and he's a YouTuber, and guess what? We're gonna be playing together today. So let's do it. So I'm gonna say that I'm recording. Where'd he go? Anyways, so yeah, he'll chat to me every now and then, but hold on. He needs an enchantment table, so type slash. We are friends, and yeah, he's cool. And yeah, so where's that zombie? Staring me. He's sorry. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Slash. TP. Hey. Anyways guys, so you should check out his channel. It's his username, so it's really cool, so you need to check it out. And yeah. Sorry, I'm drinking a little bit of tea at the same time. Hey. Hey, bud. This is all my stuff that I keep stored, you know, for in case I need something, but yeah. As you see, I am doing good. Wait, flash drops, thanks tank. Oh god, I can't do that, god. You need lapis, buddy. You should check this video out later, but yeah. Oh god. Yeah. So yeah, you need lapis slash on hub. So see, he's chatting to me. Yes, I do, and I don't. He's my friend, and yeah, seriously, you should check out his channel. But yeah, and some dude just loaded me with cookies earlier while I wasn't recording. So yeah, I think I'm good for cookies. Yeah, and I will show. Actually, yeah, I'll do my first shout out here in at my awesome house that he has no idea about because I didn't tell him yet. Slash TP set. Cool. Ow! So, yeah, these trees don't belong to me. They belong to this guy named Doom. So, yes, shout out to him. Shout out to, shout out to, the guy I'm playing with now. So, let's do this shout out. God, I need to do this right. Oh, shit. There we go. Now it looks like a giant sun. Shout out to... Today we are going to give a shout out to the friends of mine. So that would be Rayson 783, Herobrine Skull, who I'm currently playing with, and also Cookie Monster. So those are who I shout out today, and hooray! Actually, that looks cool. I like that. I'm gonna keep that. And just the rest. Oh, and also I'm gonna go to the diamond. Oh, diamond. Whee! Woohoo! So guys, yeah. He's gonna be doing. Hold on. He probably is, because we made a deal that if I record, then he records right now. So, yeah, you guys should really check out his channel. No, Tank, I don't have 19 diamonds. I have 3 from this shop. This shop is actually really good. So, Godlick, you get a special shout out, because you are... What the heck? Well, he runs out sometimes. This shop is by Capstones, and he killed me, so I do not want to shout out that. Ooh. What was I? Oh. I'm just gonna do as many as I can. Slash TP. So yeah, I'm just buying up some iron real fast from the shop because it's actually getting cheaper. Yay, that is not though. That is, yay! How cheap is diamond? 15! Ooh. Ooh, saddle. Oh, $50. Okay, yeah. Yeah, that is a pretty good price. Because most people sell them for like $100 because they're so hard to craft. I don't know how to craft them either. So if any of you know how to craft it, and I know not a lot of you watch my videos, but if you know, and you do watch my videos, and people like Minecraft, let me know! Cookie Bro! Oh, sorry, dude. Oh, sorry. Okay, sorry. God. And also, somebody, stole my house that way, so I can't live over there no more. I had this big stone house, it was amazing. And I got this little miniature house. Well, that's cool, I never noticed that. Who made that? Dedicated to Brock because nobody likes him. Oh, that's just sad. Can I use that? Yeah. I'll come back and use that later. Ooh, horse. Aw. Darn you, Blocklord. Oh, sorry, Block. I wish I could ride your horse though. So sorry about that. I didn't mean to say darn. So, yeah. Yeah. That's my first shout out on this, world. Cookie still has no idea of my house. He's like clueless of it. He has no idea where I am, in fact. That is all there is to my end. Anyways, so guys, yeah, leave a comment down below if you want to see more of me in this world. It's amazing. I'm just putting away a little bit of this stuff. I am not ending this episode yet because I refuse to. Anyways, yeah. If I did end, then I think Cookie, not Cookie, but, oh, hold on. I just put string here. Why did I do that? Why did I do that? Yes, I am tired. Slash, have one. Donate. Have. Nope. Have one. $1. $1. It doesn't work. What the heck? I hate it when it does that. Ooh, what the hell? Sounds nice. TP to me. TP to me, bro. Yeah, so he doesn't know about this. So I kind of kept it secret, which is kind of weird. But I only just met him today. He's really cool too, so. And also he has a very high-pitched, voice. He only just told me to check out his channel today. Slash TP. Set. Here, I want you guys to keep count on how many times I have to TP to him and TP accept him. Because, yeah, if I have to do it 500 times, I'm gonna go. But yeah, it's cool that some of you at least watch my videos. Anything in the furnace? No, just coal. Don't. Did he just? Hey, give that back. Give that back. That cost me a lot of money, bro. Dude, what's your problem? I worked hard on that. I spent $100 on that stuff. You better give that back. Give it back. Give it back. What the frick? And give me 55. I have no idea why you just did that. Give it back. My diamonds. Sorry if my hands are in the way, guys. What are you doing? I want my diamonds. No, 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 no. He took my pick. He took my pick. Give me my pick. Give. Fine. We'll go and buy them. Where are we? My home. My home, dude. It's my home. Homer. He needs pants. I'll give him pants. 1, 2. Yeah, I know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 rows. Why are you messing with my doors, bro? Why isn't my music playing? It's every time I record, my music stops. Dude. Sorry, dude. I can't help you with lag. Type. I'm not commanding him, I'm just telling him. Spawn games. / spawn games. Goodbye. Hello. What is? Hey, if you guys play this, if you don't notice this, the Wither is in there, controlling those mobs, making them want to kill you. What is that, brother? Hold on. Oh God, stop. Bye, guys.